good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Today is Tuesday, 3rd of August 2021, and I am here at Danger Plus Clinic here in Tins, New Zealand. Anyways, it's just finished our day here. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I'm going to do some unboxing my new camera, vlogging camera. We have to level up, guys, from Rubber Monkey, and I prefer to vlog in English, even though my English is not perfect. Is because for my children, that one day when they come across to my channel, they can understand me because I'm speaking their language. This vlog is about unboxing my new camera. So without further ado, let's do it to it. Now, typical something, you know, this thing. So I put this one in a box somewhere. Hold on. Sony ZV-1. So just like that on there. Yes. Much better to buy this. They call it Sony GP-VPT2BT wireless shooting grip. This one here. Yeah. That's it. I need my extra eyes. Yeah, to open these things. So, yep. Call it Sony GP-VPT2BT wireless shooting grip. So let's have a look. So this is just an unboxing. If you want to know more about this product, this is not new. They came out last year, but I couldn't afford last year, so I just bought it this year. Okay. If you want to know more about this review or to explain about it, there's a lot of expert or a professional to explain these things. Okay, to explain these things. So this is a tripod as well. So you open it. Yeah, see. And then that's where you put your battery, and the battery is here, you know, that one there, that's the battery there, see. Yeah, there's a lot of people out there in YouTube channel that explain how to use this and how to pair into your camera the ZV-1, this one here, Sony. So yeah, I'm not expert and I can't explain everything. So I'm still gonna study about it. I'm still gonna learn about it. I can't use it straight away, but it's worth of buying this, and I've heard, you know, it's worth the effort to get this and the money. Okay, guys. And this is where you put your tripod. They call it shooting grip, so you can put that in there. See, that's with it. Yeah. It's my Sony ZV-1. This is not new. This came out last year, but this is new to me. This is my first real vlogging camera. This is my new one. I've been using my Samsung S10 Plus 500 gigabyte. Okay, so let's open it. All right, so you open it like that, and then you open it like that, and voila. We're supposed to be going home now, but I decided to open this. Okay, first you see is all these things. Okay, all this instruction and all the different dialect, different languages in the world and stuff like that. Okay, well, I never really read them. I rather watch other people explaining it to me, watching their videos, watching their YouTube channel, and learn that way, because it's too much to read. Hello, too much to read. I don't like it. I don't like reading it. See, there's another one. More. You just like digging, okay? Yeah. If you like reading them and following the instruction that way, well, you know, suit yourself. Yes, you guys, you can do whatever you like. It's a free world, you know. In New Zealand, we're still free here. As you can see, I'm not wearing mask. We don't wear mask here in New Zealand. We allowed to breathe the fresh air that is free. Freely give, freely receive, and we enjoy it. Okay, put this aside over there, and now the moment I've been waiting for. First of all, I just want to open this first. It's a dead cat, you know. It's a cat that is dead, all right? They call it Fluffy, or some, you know, noise silencer. So, but they call it dead cat. But I can't find the cat. Yeah, it's yeah, it's to minimize the noise, the noisy out there. So this one is really good, and they include it for free. Okay, right, so put that away, put that aside, and then you know, this one is the cable to charge your battery. Okay, they didn't include the charger like this, you know, like this. They didn't, you know, like that. Yeah, so only this they include in the box, in the package. But hey, everyone's have this, so no need. Right, put that there, put that there. Right, so that's another one. It's free. Oh, hello there. Okay, and then the most important one, otherwise I can't use all the other stuff without this. The head. Ta-da! Okay, right. Oh, so it's that way. So I like this one better than my cell phone because I can zoom in and I can zoom out. But I'm gonna set up my own settings that I will not change. I will watch the the beginner's guide again how to set it up, but I want to choose my settings. Twist it and you can put it like that. So I prefer this way if I'm not using it, because this one here is dirt proof. See, they say it's plastic, but it's not really plastic. It's kind of heavy, you know. Plastic is not heavy. Oh, it's upside down. So yeah, I'm gonna do some sitting up with this. I'm gonna ask Adam to help me because I'm not a techie person. Oh, I got something else here. So this one here, the shooting grip, they put it right here. See that one there? So they're gonna put it like that. Oops. Hold on. Oh my gosh, imagine if I drop it, see. So this one, I have to pair here using a Bluetooth, so I can use the zoom out and zoom in. Thank you guys for watching my video. Until my next video, bye bye for now.